just received another package from Lush Cosmetics. Let's dig in.
It smells delicious. Ingredients, guys. Spread some holiday cheer. New holiday creations. Oh my goodness.
I got the Cinders Shower Gel, Cranberry Frizz Lip Scrub, the Rudolph Jelly Face Mask. Hello? Oh my god, this must be... Christmas definitely came early. Once Upon a Time Body Lotion. What else do I have here? This is the Rose Argan Sparkly Naked Body Conditioner. Y'all are making my day today, Lush. I believe this is a soap. What else do we have here? The Ginger Man Sparkle Jar. So this is a massage bar. Let's see, plum pudding. Whoa, so many goodies in this one. This smells so good. This is the Holy Night Bath Bomb. Wow, this is amazing. Magic Wand Bubble Bar. This is a classic, a favorite of mine. What else do we have here? Ooh, this is the Yag Nag Yol Log. You guys have to kind of look at this one here inside. Don't want to take it out. Let's see, anything else? Oh my goodness, there's more in here. This is the Pearl de Sel Bath Bomb. I'm pretty sure I just butchered that name. And then I have, let's see, it's the Hoodie Holly. This smells amazing. This smells amazing. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this. So what did I get? Oh my goodness. Lush, y'all outdid yourself. Last time I made a mess with these, and I'm not going to do that this time. Okay, it looks like I received about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 goodies. And this lip scrub. That smells so good. Thank you for watching another First Look Lushies unboxing.